Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can make a screenshot of the entire page in the browser on your iPhone. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to go into the browser. And as you can see, here I already have something in my search engine and found something. And as we usually do a screenshot, to do this, we press the top sound button and the power button. If we hold them down, we get a screenshot. Once we click on that screenshot, in order to view it and save the full page, we click Full Page. And now we have, as you can see, we have this long page on the side that we can scroll through so that we can flip through this full page and look at the information. What can we do with this page? We can edit it in some way. For example, we can click Crop. And at the bottom, we can remove what we don't want. There we go. Now we can, for example, at the bottom with the tools to select what's important to us. We select the tool, and we can, circle that information. We can erase what we didn't get. We select another tool. And with this manipulation, we can draw something for ourselves. Write something here. In the tools, we can choose the thickness with which we will write also by flipping through the pages. We can further modify something. And now, in order to save our screenshot and all the changes, we click on the send or share sign at the top. And now we can save our screenshot of the page to our files. Yes, screenshots in full, they are not saved in the gallery. They are only saved in files, but you can easily find them there. So we click Save Files. We can select the folder we want to save to and click Save. After that, you can go to the Files folder, Application Files, and this is where we'll see our screenshot of the web browser page in its entirety. We can zoom in on it. We can see all the changes that we've made. We can read and so on. And from here we can send this screenshot to a person, or we can save it to a gallery. So in this simple way, you can take a screenshot of the whole page on your iPhone and then edit it. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and comments. See you later.